I take a lot of inspiration. I take a bunch of good new friends, much to think about, many questions to think about in the time to come, and a lot of motivation to continue some new directions that we have really discovered together. Digital channels are here to stay for pretty much everything, and that does not exclude dentistry. So whether you use them for communication, for education, for marketing, for promotion, or for networking, I think this is the way to go. So the question is not if they're going to stay or die. The challenge is how do we actually make use of these channels in the best possible way, in the most efficient way, in the safest way, and how do we minimize the risks that of course come with the amplified power that these channels have.